Hello everyone, good morning to all. So welcome back to today's online session of grade 4. Okay children, so in today's class we will be continuing with the adjectives. Okay children, in today's class we are going to learn the kinds of noun. Okay, before going to learn the kinds of adjectives, let us revise our previous class. So what we have learned in the previous class, children? Yes, we have learned adjectives. So what do you mean by adjectives? Yes children, what do you mean by adjectives? Yes, adjectives are the describing words which describes noun or pronoun, name of the animals, person, place and things. Okay children, these adjectives are nothing but describing words which describes the shape, the color, the size, the quantity, the quality of the noun. Okay children, so here adjectives are nothing but describing words. Okay, now let us study the kinds of adjectives. Okay children, there are 6 kinds of adjectives. Okay children, so first one is the adjectives of quality, the second one is adjectives of quantity, and the third one is adjectives of number. Okay children, then we have adjectives of possessive adjectives. Okay children, so let us write one by one. Possessive adjectives, demonstrative adjectives, and then interrogative adjectives. So total we have 6 kinds of adjectives. Okay children, so first one is here kinds of adjectives. First one is adjective of quality. Okay children, adjective of quality. Then we have adjective of quantity. Adjective of quality. Second one is adjectives of number. Third one is, yes children, adjectives of quantity. Okay, adjectives of quantity. Okay, fourth one is possessive adjectives. Possessive adjectives, demonstrative adjectives, demonstrative adjectives, and then we have interrogative adjectives. Okay children, okay children, whatever I am writing on the board, you have to copy it in your notebook children. Okay, so first one we have adjective of quality, the second one is adjective of number, third one is adjectives of quantity, fourth one is possessive adjectives, fifth one is demonstrative adjectives, and interrogative adjectives children. So these are the kinds of adjectives. Now let us study one by one. So first one we have here Adjectives of quality. So what do you mean by adjectives of quality, children? Yes, adjectives of quality are the words which describes the kind, the nature of a person or thing. Okay children, this adjective of quality is describing the kind. What is the kind of or what is the nature of a person or thing? And this adjective of quality answers the question for what kind of a person is, what kind of a nature is or thing. Okay children, so let us write the definition of this. The words which describes the kind or the nature. Okay children, describes the kind or nature, the kind or the nature of a person or thing. Okay children, is called adjectives of quality. Okay children, here the words which are describing the kind or the nature of a person or thing are called adjectives of quality. Okay children, for example, good, beautiful, hard, calm, okay, anger, and then deep, straight, rich, poor, bad. Okay, these all are the example for the quality which describes the nature of a person or thing. Okay children, let us write some examples for this. Beautiful, hard, calm, good, rich, hard, rich, angry, bad, straight. So these are the few examples for the quality, adjectives of quality children. Okay, now let us see how we have to use these adjectives of quality in sentences. How we are going to use these adjectives of quality words in sentences. Okay. So these adjectives of quality describes the kind or the nature of a person. Okay, children. For example, beautiful, ugly, hard, smooth, bad, rich, angry, calm. These all are the adjectives of quality. Okay, children. So first one we have here examples. The hungry cats are crying. Okay, the hungry cats are crying. Okay, let me write all the examples. Later we will observe which is the adjective of quality. So these are the examples for first kind, that is adjective of quality. Okay, adjectives of quality. Okay children, the second one we have heavy rains expected in the evening. Heavy rains the evenings. Okay, children. Third one. I saw an interesting movie last night. I saw an interesting movie last night. Okay, children. Fourth one. The rose is red. So here, let us see look at the first sentence. What it says, children? It says, the hungry cats are crying. So here in this sentence, which is the adjective, children? Which is the adjective of quality? Here, hungry. Hungry is the adjective of quality which describes the quality of a noun. So here, cats are the noun. Okay. And here, hungry is adjective of quality. Okay. So here, hungry is describing the quality of cat. Okay. So here, hungry is the quality. Then next we have heavy rains expected in the evening. So here, heavy is adjective. Okay. This heavy is adjective and it is describing the quality of rain. Okay. So rain is here noun. Okay, children. Heavy is adjective which is describing the quality of rain, whether it is heavy or slow. Okay, children. The next we have, look at the third sentence. What it says, children? I saw an interesting movie last night. Okay. Here, interesting is the adjective. And movie is noun. So here, interesting is adjective which describing the quality of a movie. Okay. The next, the rose is red. So here, red color is describing the quality of rose. Okay, children. So these are the few examples for the adjectives of quality. Okay, children. Then next we have adjectives of quantity. Okay, the second kind. What is the second kind, children? The second type is adjectives of quantity. So what are the adjectives of quantity, children? Adjectives of quantity describes how much a thing is needed. Okay, children. So here, second kind is adjectives of quantity. Okay. In this, the adjectives of quantity describes how much a thing is needed. Okay. So here, now let us write the definition. The words which describes how much a thing is made. Okay, children, how much of a thing is made? How much of a thing? So here, adjectives of quantity says the words which describes how much of a thing is made. Okay, children, this is the definition of adjectives of quantity. Okay, children. So here, the example of adjectives of quantity are little, some, several, more, and then sufficient, half, whole, enough. Okay, these are few examples for the adjectives of quantity. Okay, little, more, little, more, some, few, many, sufficient. Okay, children, sufficient. These are the few examples for the adjectives of quantity. Okay, we can take also here no, all. Okay, so these are the few examples for the adjectives of quantity. Let us see how we are going to use the adjectives of quantity in sentences with some examples. Okay, children. So here adjectives of quantity describes how much, the quantity of the noun. So the first example is here. Give me some milk. Okay. Give me some milk. So here, let me write all the examples. Later we will come to know which is the adjective of quantity. The second one, few tires. There is enough juice for my breakfast. Okay. There is enough juice for my breakfast. There is enough juice for my breakfast. Okay, the third one, I have sufficient money for shopping. I have sufficient money for shopping. I have sufficient money for shopping too. So here, give me first one. The first sentence says, look at the first sentence, children. Give me some milk. So here first sentence says, give me some milk. So here some is the adjective. Okay, children, some is the adjectives which describes the quantity of milk. How much milk? Some milk. So here the adjective of quantity are giving the answer for how much. It gives the answer for how much. Here how much milk? Some milk. Okay. Here some is the adjective which describes the quantity of a milk. So milk is here noun. Okay. Then next we have, there is enough juice for my breakfast. So here enough is the adjectives which shows the quantity of juice. How much juice? Enough juice. Okay. It gives the answer for how much. Okay, children. The next third sentence says, I have sufficient money for shopping. So here sufficient word is the adjective which gives the answer for how much money. Okay, sufficient money. So these are some, enough, sufficient are the adjectives which gives the answers for the how much quantity. Okay, children. The next, the third kind is adjective of number. Let us study the third kind, that is adjective of number. Okay. Adjectives of number. So here adjectives of number describes how much, okay, how much or in what order of a person or thing is. Okay children, so here adjectives of number describes how many or in what order of a person or thing is. Okay children, let us write the definition. The words which describes how many or in what order of a person or thing is. Which describes how many or in what order how many or in what order of a person or thing is. Of a person or thing is. Children, so this is the definition of the adjectives of number, and adjectives of numbers gives the answers for how many. The children, how many or which and in which order. Okay, adjectives of number are giving the answer for the question how much, how many, which or in which order. Okay children, for here we have the examples of numbers. I have 2 markers. I have 10 cars. Like this we have to take a particular number of a person or thing to describe the numbers. Okay children, so let us write the examples for the adjectives of number. They have 3 children. They have 3 children. Okay. I have 4 cars. My friend has 3 kittens. My friend has 3 kittens. So here the number is described in the noun children. So here 3 is the adjective which describes the number of a noun. Here noun is children. Okay. So here how many children? 3 children. So here adjectives of number gives the answers for how many, which or in what order. So here how many children? 3. So here 3 is the adjective. Okay, look at the second sentence children. It says I have 4 cars. So how many cars? 4. So here 4 is the adjectives which describes the noun cars. Car is the noun here. Okay. So here 4 is described in the noun. How many cars? 4 cars. It gives the answer for how many and which. My friend has 3 kittens. So here 3 is the adjective. Okay children, 3 is the adjective and kittens are the nouns. Have you got it? adjectives of number describes how many. It gives the answers for how many children. So next one, the next kind is possessive adjectives. Children, the next kind we have possessive adjectives. Here, the possessive adjective shows the ownership. Okay, children? Ownership means the things belong to whom. Okay? So here, the fourth one is possessive adjectives. Possessive adjectives. So here possessive adjective shows the ownership. Okay. This is my marker. So here my is showing the ownership. Who is the owner of this marker? I. Okay. So here adjective shows the ownership. Possessive adjectives. So, let us write the definition. The words which describes the ownership. Children, the possessive adjectives shows, describes the ownership, okay, of a noun. So here, ownership means the things belonging to whom. Okay. So here, the marker is belong to me. I am the owner of this marker. This marker is mine. So those type of adjectives are known as possessive adjectives, children. So here, the examples for these possessive adjectives are my, mine, yours, his, hers, theirs, children, its. These are the possessive adjectives. Okay, children. Now let us study how we gonna use these possessive adjectives in sentences. So first one we have, this is my house. This is my house. Second one is, his car is parked outside. His car is parked outside. His car is parked outside. Our job is almost done. Third one. Our job is almost done. This bag is hers. Okay, children? So here, this is my house. Here, the first sentence, look at the first sentence. This sentence says, this is my house. So here, my is the possessive adjective. Okay, children? It is showing the ownership. Who is the owner of that house? Okay, children? My house. So here my is showing the ownership. So here my is the adjective. Okay. So here his is adjective, possessive adjective children. Possession means ownership. Okay. Whose car children? His car. So who is the owner here? He is the owner of that car. So car is now here and his is possessive adjective which shows the ownership. Okay. The third sentence. Look at the third sentence children. It says our job is almost done. So here which is the adjective children? Our. Whose job? Our job. So our is showing the ownership. So here our is the possessive adjective. Okay. The fourth one. This bag is hers. Okay. So here hers is the possessive adjective which shows the ownership. Whose bag? Hers bag. Okay. Have you got it? How to identify the possessive adjective by belongings means possession, by taking the possession, by showing the ownership. Okay. So the words which describes the ownership are known as possessive adjectives children. And now let us study the fifth kind, and that is demonstrative adjectives. Okay children, demonstrative adjectives are pointing out the noun. Okay children, and demonstrative adjectives always comes before the noun word. It modifies. Demonstrative adjectives always come before the noun and it modifies the noun. The fifth one is demonstrative adjectives. Children, demonstrative adjectives. These comes before the noun. Okay, children, these demonstrative adjectives comes before the noun. Okay children, hope you all have understood today's class. Okay, demonstrative adjectives and one more, that is interrogative adjectives we will study in the next class children. Okay, now the time is over for today's class. Let us study the demonstrative and the interrogative adjectives in the next class. Okay children, hope you all have understood today's class. Your today's homework is write same as classwork. You have to copy everything. Whatever I have written on the notes, you have to copy it in your classwork notebook children. Okay? Write same as classwork. So this is your today's homework. Okay? Now it is time to say bye bye children. Till then, have a good day. Bye bye. Okay?